Hello students, how are you all? I hope you are perfectly fine and doing your study at your home. Students, I am Somitri Yadav, Assistant Teacher of Alpine Public School, welcoming you all in our new online video class. Students, let me remind you once again that in the previous video lecture, we have discussed about the exercises number 1, exercise number 2, and in this particular video we are going to discuss about exercise number 3, exercise number 4 and exercise number 5. So students, let's start. Exercise number 3. What is in exercise number 3? Complete the table with the correct singular and plural forms. Students, there are two columns are given. In the first column, singular words are given, and in the second column, plural words are given. Okay. In both these columns, some missing words are given to you, and you have to fill both these columns. So let's start. Students, first one, the singular word is missing but plural word is given. Plural word is scarves. Students, you have to write the singular of scarves. So the singular of scarves is scarf. Now next one is the plural of batch is given to you, and you have to write the singular of batches in second. So BATCH, batch. The plural of batch is batches. Now next one is latch. Latch is in singular column, and you have to write the plural of latch in this column. Okay, so the plural of latch is latches. Now next one is fox. Plural of fox is foxes. Fifth one is chimney. So the plural of chimney is chimneys. Next one is thief. The plural of thief is thieves. Students, cities. Cities is given in plural column. So you have to write the singular of cities in the singular column. So the singular of cities is city. Now next one is lady. Lady is given in singular column, and you have to write the plural of lady in the plural column. So the plural of lady is ladies. Louse. The plural of louse is lice. Brush. The plural of brush is brushes. Wise. Wise is given in plural column, and you have to write the singular of wise in this column. So the plural of wise is wife. Now next one is shelves. Okay, the singular of shelves is shelf. Okay, that's it for the exercise number 3. Now we will discuss about the exercise number 4. What is in exercise number 4? Write the correct plural form of these nouns. Students, you have to write the plural of given singular nouns. Okay, so first one is toy. The plural of toy is toys. Mango. The plural of mango is mangoes. Sister-in-law. The plural of sister-in-law is sisters-in-law. Proof. The plural of proof is proofs. Valley. The plural of valley is valleys. Photo, the plural of photo is photos. Now next one is fish. The plural of fish is, students, fish cannot be converted in plural form. So fish is always in singular form. So the plural of fish is also fish. Kilo. Plural of kilo is kilos. Now next one is chief. The plural of chief is chiefs. Piano. The plural of piano is pianos. 11th is cargo. The plural of cargo is cargoes. Now next, last one is sheep. Plural of sheep is also sheep. Okay, now moving to next exercise number 5. Question number A. Select the correct plural form of each word from the options. Students, you have to select the correct plural form for each word from the options. Okay, now let's start from the first. Ilf. The plural of ilf is ilves. Okay, now you have to write ilves in the given blank. Next one is rhino. The plural of rhino is rhinos. So you have to write it in the given blank. Now next one is loaf. The plural of loaf is loaves, and you have to write it in the given blank. Fourth is volcano. The plural of volcano is volcanoes, and you have to write it in the given blank. Now next one is country. The plural of country is countries, and you have to write it in the given blank. Next one is self, and the plural of self is selves, and you have to write it in the given blank. Seventh, hero. The plural of hero is heroes, and you have to write it in the given blank. Eighth, mosquito. The plural of mosquito is mosquitoes, and you have to write it in the given blank. Okay, now next one is donkey, and the plural of donkey is donkeys, and you have to write it in the given blank. 10th, roof. The plural of roof is roofs, and you have to write it in the given blank. Next, 11th is quiz. The plural of quiz is quiz, and you have to write it in the given blank. Now 12th is thief. The plural of thief is thieves, and you have to write it in the given blank. 13, Caesar. The plural of Caesar is Caesars. Okay, students, there are some nouns which cannot be changed in plural form, and Caesars is one of them. Okay, the plural of Caesar is Caesars. Now moving to question number B. Fill in the blanks with the appropriate singular or plural form of the nouns in the brackets. So first one is, our school has a big blank, it has many blanks. Students, you have to write the singular or plural form of the nouns in the brackets. Okay, our school has a big blank. Students, there is only one library. A is given, so you have to write the singular of library. Okay, it has many. You have to write it book, but by using many word, we can use here as, and it becomes books. Okay, now second one is the blank are filled with blank. Okay, the blank are, it is a plural word, so you have to write the plural of book, means books. Okay, the books are filled with stories. Okay, there is in a book not a one story, there can be many stories, so we have to write the plural of given word story. Okay, now next one is someone walked through the blank. You have to write the singular of given word hall, because there is only a one person. Now fourth is my dad gifted me a new blank on my blank. Students, we have to write the singular form of watch. Why? Because there is a word a is given, so we have to write here only singular form of watch, on my birthday. Now next one is these blank have been made by my mother. These blank have been made by my mother. Students, we have to write here paintings. Why? Because these is a plural, so we have to write the plural of given words. Okay, now sixth one is there is a small blank near my house. It has many blank. Students, we have to write the singular of lake. Why? Because a word a is given here, so we have to write here lake, not the plural form, only singular form of lake. Okay, it has many ducks. Okay, there can be many ducks in a lake, so we have to write the plural form of duck. Now seventh one is I watched many blank while I was sick. Students, there is given a word many, so we have to write the plural of given word film, that is films. Okay, a blank has a 9 blank. Okay, a word a is given, so we have to write the only singular form of cat. A cat has 9. The plural of life is lives. Okay, next one is a group of blanks swarmed around a blank. A group of blanks, students, and ant is given here, and you have to write the plural of ants in the given blank, and swarmed around a word a is given, so it is a singular, so we have to write the singular form of biscuit. Okay, now 10th is look at the blank lightning of the blank. Look at the blank, so we have to write the firework, lightning of the skies. Okay, now moving to the next question. My mother was carrying 5 shopping blank when she came out of the blank. So my mother was carrying 5 shopping. 5 is a plural, so we have to write the plural form of bag, that is the bags. Okay, when she came out the mall. Now next one is I watched a show about blank. Students, in a show there can be many insects, so we have to write the plural form of insects, that is insects. Okay, now in the question number C, you have to find the errors, okay, and rewrite these sentences correctly. So let's find out the errors and then write to it in correct form. So first one is aeroplane have wings. Students, aeroplane have wings, there cannot be a one wing, so we have to add the S. Aeroplane have wings. And students, you can see that there is a plural helping verb is given to you, so there cannot be only one aeroplane, so we have to also add as to the aeroplane. So aeroplanes have wings. Okay, now next one is tree grow branch and leaf. Students, where is the error? Error is given in the tree, branch and also in the leaf. Okay, so we have to add s at the end of the tree word. It is the trees. Branch, a tree cannot be a one branch, so we have to add es, branches. Okay, and leaf, so we have to convert it into the plural form and it becomes leaves. Okay, what is the now the correct sentence? Trees grow branches and leaves. Now third one is I eat a lot of fruit and vegetables. A lot of plural form is given, so we have to convert all these word into the plural form. So I eat a lot of fruits and vegetables. What is the correct sentence? I eat a lot of fruits and vegetables. Students, you have to write it, rewrite it in your note copy. There is no space, so you have to write in your note copy. Okay, fourth one is there are many goose in that pond. Goose is in singular form, so the plural form of goose is geese. G-E-E-S, geese. Okay, I have 2 parrot and a turtle as pet. I have 2 parrot. There is 2 parrot, so we have to add s at the given word parrot. Okay, now sixth one is that lakes is beautiful. Students, singular helping verb is given to you, so there cannot be a plural noun, so we have to remove s. And now what is the sentence? That lake is beautiful. Now seventh one is I bought some new cloth. We have to convert cloth into plural form, so we have to add es at the end of given word. Now 8 is my dad receives many letters in a day. They are given many words, so we have to convert the letter into the plural form. So we have to add s at the given word letter. Now what is the sentence? My dad receives many letters in a single day. Ninth, I have never travelled in a train. Friends, a word is given, so train cannot be a plural form, so we have to remove s. Okay, now what is the sentence? I have never travelled in a train. Now last one is we saved our penny, nickels and dimes. All the words are given in plural form, so we have to convert it into the plural form. So what is the plural form of penny? The plural form of penny is pennies. Okay, that's it for today, students. In the next video lecture, we will cover next topic, which is chapter number 6, nouns or gender. Okay, till then you will prepare all these notes at your home and revise it again and again. We will meet soon. Thank you, students.